Okay, so today we're going to solve the system of equations using a matrix equation and the graphing calculator. So here is our original system. The first thing we need to do is to put this into matrix form. There's three parts to a matrix form. We need the coefficient matrix, which is comprised of the coefficients of the variables. This is called the coefficient matrix, and we will call this matrix A. Then the variable matrix, which is comprised of the variables, and we will call this matrix X, and the constant matrix, which is comprised of the constants in the system, and we'll call that matrix B. So this is the setup. As you can see, if I were to multiply first row times the column, I would get 2x minus y, and the second row times the variables, 3x plus 2y. Okay, so multiplying this would bring us back to the original system. Okay, now little side step for a minute. If I gave you something like 3x equals 9 and asked you to solve that, you would say, well, divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 3. But what if I told you you could not use division? What other process could you use? That's right, you would be able to use multiplying by the reciprocal in order to solve for the variable. Well, we use a similar process in solving for matrix X because there is no division with matrices. So we will say that X is going to be equal to A inverse times B. Now, never B times A inverse. A inverse will always be on the left. On the left. Okay, because as you learned before, multiplication with matrices is not commutative. So this is the process. So now, putting this in your graphing calculator, okay, you're going to go to second matrix. You're going to enter a matrix. This is a 2 by 2. Matrix A is a 2 by 2. And then you're going to enter the numbers just like you did in the previous section. We need to enter the constant matrix, so back to second matrix. We're going to edit matrix B, and that's a 2 by 1, and we're putting in 6 and negative 19. Now we need to go back to the home screen, so second quit, and we're going to call up matrix A. Here's the inverse button right here. You'll see it puts the little negative 1 there for the inverse, times second matrix, call up matrix B, and we get our answer. So the calculator gives it to you in this form. Your textbook or ordered pair form would be xy equals negative 1, negative 8. And that's pretty much how simple this section is.